Today we're going to make chickpeas in our Instapot. These have been soaking overnight, and so they have about doubled in size and are a little bit softer. Now this liquid that you soak them in, you want to pour out, and that's just because it helps with sort of the gassiness that beans can cause and a better flavor. So now we have this, and we're just going to dump those in there and then cover with water. Put the lid back on. Make sure your venting is correct, and we're going to press the bean chili button. Now, these will cook in 30 minutes, which is awesome because normally it takes about an hour for beans to cook. And if you forget to pre-soak them overnight, you can pre-soak them in this and just pressure cook them for 4 minutes. Discard that water and then cook just like we did now. So, stick around. So, it's been 30 minutes, it's been pressure cooking, and it just switched to off. And I'm going to show you how to do a quick release. I'm going to take some sort of utensil, and you're going to turn the vent open. And if it starts doing that, you're going to put it back to closed. Sometimes beans can be kind of foamy, and that can affect this. So we gave it a second. Let's try it again. All right, that little click means it is done venting, and the little metal thing has popped down, which means it's safe to open. And there are my cooked beans. And let's test these beans out and see. So here are my finished chickpeas, and they are cooked perfectly. And the flavor compared to canned is amazing, and the texture is so much nicer. I am never going back to canned chickpeas.